everything.
No! Oh my this God. Is amazing.
Oh no, bro.
Ah!
Damn, no, he's stuck. Oh my gosh.
You're about to hit the rail over here.
Something.
Goddamn, he's gonna hit it.
Late, speed 40, failed in the parking lot. Light. 243, hold on. That's fine. Just made a right on the Paddington. 45.
We got a motor vehicle accident. I got a pole on top of me. We got a motor vehicle accident. I got a pole on top of me.
Steadily, caught his breath, and answered, "Yes?" "Good morning, Director," said a woman's voice with an urgent edge. "This is Heidi Nagel in Prague." Heidi? The call from his former senior counsel was entirely unexpected.
Jeez. Now adjourned for the summer after a whirlwind week. But before it started, the House of Commons and the Senate quietly passed major changes to the pest control. The new legislation gives Prime Minister Mark Carney the ability to greenlight the use of native pesticides in the interest of economic and national scientists and public health experts concerned, including Senator Rosa Galvez. Ms. Galvez is an independent senator and an expert on pollution and human health.
Start Making emergency call to the SOS service provided by the manufacturer. To cancel, press the SOS.
Then we pick this second item here, and if it is false, we get the. Okay, and the good thing with this question mark operator, we can.
Was devised by the Israeli government, of course, does it have a right to exist? And so my question to you would be, what does that mean?
Holy sh!
What your question is? Are you asking this?
What are you doing?
What am I doing? I'm headed home from work.
At 80 plus miles an hour, passing us in the center lane?
How much you drank today?
I don't drink.
Don't drink? Okay. Well, he's going to check your eyes out to make sure, okay? Because your eyes are red. Okay, we got to do what we got to do to make sure you're not impaired. Okay.
What did I do wrong? Really? I mean, why are we here? Oh, just because I was speeding.
You were speeding, you drove past the center lane, you were not using turn signals.
And you're doing 80 plus miles an hour. We got to do what we got to do to make sure that you don't kill nobody.
DEFGHIJKLMNEDERST.
You are too impaired to drive, all right?